Hey guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is all about this LuvMe Kinky Curly Neck Length Closure Wig. This wig is absolutely beautiful and I really fell in love with it, you guys. So these are all the contents that come in the LuvMe box. The box itself is absolutely beautiful. I'm definitely keeping it just because I really love it. I think I'm just going to use it for something. And then it comes in that little bag, and that's what I usually store my wigs in. So I'm glad they gave that little bag. This is what the wig looks like. It's a 5x5 undetectable lace closure wig, and the lace really is undetectable, you guys. I didn't have to do much to get this wig to blend and just lay really nicely. And it is glueless. I did not use anything to lay this wig down. No gel, no hairspray, nothing. So this is what the hairline looks like, and the knots do come lightly pre-bleached and the hairline comes lightly plucked. So these are what the curls are looking like. I'm loving that the curls are literally curly from the root all the way down to the end of the hair. The curls are literally bouncy and full all the way to the end. So for the parting space in the hairline, I literally just pulled a few pieces of hair out to just widen the part only at the front and just a little bit of the ways down the part. I didn't do a whole lot of plucking. I felt like it looked very natural already, and with middle parts you don't have to get too crazy with the plucking because the hair is just going to hang anyway. And I knew I wasn't going to be gelling this hairline down or using any glue or anything like that, so the more natural it looks, the better. Just a quick reminder, you guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It super helps me out when you guys subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, make sure you're still subscribed, because YouTube has been unsubscribing people and y'all haven't been getting notifications. So just check that. And make sure you like the video, because it super helps me out with this crazy YouTube algorithm. So then I went ahead and just trimmed that excess lace off. I didn't cut it directly against the hairline. I kind of just did like a wavy cutting motion, and yeah, it was very easy to trim this lace, you guys. The lace is very thin. It's absolutely undetectable HD lace, and I just really love how this wig came together. I did use my contour powder, so it's just one shade darker than my powder for my face, and I just added that right to the hairline, and that's literally all I did. I didn't do anything else to blend this into my skin tone except for adding contour powder to the edge of the lace. So just looking at this wig overall, the hair quality is just so beautiful. The texture is so soft and lightweight, but very bouncy and curly. I just love the construction of the wig, and the hair itself is so nice and full, but not like so full that it feels weird. It's just that perfect density that I absolutely love. So I went ahead and trimmed the ends of it a little bit just to give it more of a blunt look. Then I added some mousse and I started brushing the hair out. And right at that moment I realized I forgot to wet the hair, you guys. I couldn't find my water bottle, so I literally just took the wig off, drenched it in water, and placed it back on my head. The mousse that I'm using today is the Shea Moisture, and I will leave that link down below. I'm also using the Evolve hairbrush, which is the best dimming brush I've ever tried for curly hair. I'll leave that link down below as well, so you can check those out on Amazon Prime. So you don't have to necessarily use this mousse, but any mousse that's a soft hold. You don't want to use a hard hold mousse, but any mousse that's a soft hold, and with this dimming brush, it's really going to make your curls pop all the way from the roots all the way down to the tips. So as as you can see, one side done and the other side not, it definitely is a big difference when you go ahead and define your curls. So make sure you don't skip this step, you guys. Make sure you really wet the hair. Like I said, I forgot my water bottle, but I just really wet the hair down good with water and then go in and define your curls with a soft hold mousse and a Denman brush. So then I went ahead and grabbed my Revlon curly hair diffuser. So what you're going to want to do is take the original hose off and put the diffuser hose on, which is this big circular one. You're going to want to set your blow dryer to high, and then you're going to set it to warm, and then you're going to press the cool button in the front because you don't want to have hot air blowing on your curls. It will straighten your curls. But you do want the hair to dry faster. So you're going to use the cool setting. You're going to press the cool button while you're drying your hair on high. I really love how this diffuser works. It's very fast, it's very powerful and large, and it's also very lightweight, so it's easy to work with. You can find this one on Amazon Prime. It delivers literally overnight, and it's really affordable, so I'll leave that one down below so you can definitely check out this diffuser. So I put the wig on the mannequin so you guys can see the full 360 of this hair when it's completely dry. This hair is absolutely gorgeous. The curls literally pop all the way from the top of the hair all the way to the ends, and I love that about this hair. The lace is absolutely gorgeous. You can't even see it, you guys. It's so undetectable. This is natural lighting. I do not have a ring light on. I'm just sitting in front of a window, so this is giving you exactly what it's going to look like on you. I'm going to try to do this more, you guys, because natural light I feel like just gives you the most realistic way that it's going to look when you are wearing it at home. So I just trimmed off a couple scraggly curls just to make it more even, and this is the end result, you guys. I'm so happy with this wig. LuvMe always has great products. Their wigs are really nice, so if you haven't checked them out yet, I will leave a link down below so you can go ahead and check them out and see all the different wigs that they have to offer. But I think this is a really great option for the summer. Let me know what you guys think. Alright, you guys, this is the end results. I'm super happy with it. Let me know what you guys think about the hair, and make sure you check the link down below for all the products I used and for this wig. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel and you're liking this video and sharing it with a friend. Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Peace.